Strawberry shortcake is a classic dessert that has a rich history with roots in both Europe and the United States. Here's a brief overview of its origins. European roots. The concept of shortcake can be traced back to European baking traditions. The term short in baking refers to a crumbly texture, typically achieved by incorporating fat like butter or lard into the dough. Early shortcakes were more like a type of biscuit or scone. American influence. The strawberry shortcake as we know it today became popular in the United States in the mid-19th century. The dessert evolved as strawberries became more widely available, especially during their peak season in late spring and early summer. The combination of sweetened strawberries, freshly baked shortcake, and whipped cream was a natural progression, resulting in the iconic dessert. 19th century popularity. Recipes for strawberry shortcake began appearing in American cookbooks in the mid-1800s. By the late 19th century, it was a well-loved dessert across the country. The first known recipe was published in an 1847 issue of the Ohio Cultivator, a popular farming magazine. Cultural significance. Strawberry shortcake has remained a beloved dessert in American culture, often associated with summer celebrations, picnics, and gatherings. It has also inspired various regional variations and adaptations. The dessert's enduring popularity can be attributed to its simple yet delicious combination of flavors and textures, making it a staple in American culinary traditions. Thank you for watching my video. Please share, subscribe, like, and don't forget to click the notification bell for my new video.